You are given a chemical reaction of copper sulfate that reacts with zinc to create zinc sulfate and copper. You are given 950 grams of copper sulfate and 460 grams of zinc. Now what you're going to do is find the theoretical yield of this and find the limiting reactant. And how you do that is you take the molar mass of copper sulfate, which is 159.61 grams. And how you find that is you have copper, the molar mass of copper is 63.546, and the molar mass of sulfate is 96.064. And you add them together to get 159.61 grams. You also multiply that by the mole ratio, which in this case is a 1-to-1 ratio in this single replacement, because for every 1 copper sulfate, you get 1 mole of copper. So you multiply by that, and you end up getting, using sig figs, 6.0 moles of copper. Then you do the same thing here for zinc, which the molar mass of zinc is 65.39 grams. And you also multiply that by the mole ratio, which happens to be 1-to-1. And you get, with sig figs, 7.0 moles of copper. So, 6.0 moles of copper is the limiting reactant. And to find the percent yield of this equation, you have to multiply the limiting reactant by the molar mass of copper, which is 63.546, to get the answer 381.276. You then take this number, and you are also given 295.8 grams of copper that are actually obtained in this reaction. And percent yield is experimental yield over theoretical yield, which was what we found was 381.276. So we take 295.8 over 381.276. We multiply that number by 100, and you get the answer 77%.